Hello, this is Rich Lavens of Eurotherm by Watlow. And a couple days ago, I had a question come in about a Eurotherm 3500 series process controller. Um, the issue he was having was he was trying to run a ramp soak program. And in step two, we had what we call a guaranteed soak. So, what should have happened was we're going to start this. And again, we can change the time here. I just made all the durations 10 seconds. But if you click on the three little arrows here, you can put whatever time you want. So my set point is going to go to 1005. But step two is not supposed to start its dwell cycle until my actual process value is within 5 degrees of 1,000. What normally happens is your set point might get to 1,000 before your actual temperature does, and we don't want to start that dwell until the temperature is there as well. So what he was having happen to him was, we're going to go to our device panel here in iTools, and we're going to go to our program page, and I'm going to run that program. So I put in 800 degrees. I'm simulating that. So when it goes to step two, we should not start the dwell cycle because I'm not to that 1,000. But as you can see, my dwell actually has started. So something's up. So let's pause this or reset it. And I'm going to show you where that setting's at. So we're going to go to the Parameter Explorer, and we are going to make sure we're in the instrument folder. And way off to the right are options. The third one down is an option called Enable Holdback Feature for Programmer. As you can see, that is set to no. We need to set that to yes. Now, actually, full transparency here, I was stuck on this one. I had to use my phone a friend and call the product manager. Anyway, we need to set that to yes, which we have. So now we're going to go back to our device panel, and I am going to run the program. So my program is started. I'm still at 800 degrees. With any luck at all, when we get to segment two, we should not start our timer. So there's our timer. It has not started counting down, and it actually is flashing hold because we're only at 800 degrees. What I've done here is put in a user value that simulates a temperature. So we're going to double click in here, and I'm just going to feed in 1,001 degrees, which is within the 5 degree band. I'm going to go back to my device panel, and you can see now the dwell period has started, and my program continues on. So if you're having an issue with the ramp soak programmer and the guaranteed soak feature isn't working like you would expect, I'll repeat again, go into our Parameter Explorer, go to the instrument block, go to Option tab, and make sure that third one down, Enable Holdback Feature for Programmer, is set to yes. That should solve the issue. I hope you find this video helpful, but please email us or give us a call if you have any more questions. Thank you.